Hi students, welcome back. We have seen the use of OR operator that is available as implementation of standardized SQL in MySQL database management system. MySQL also provides another option for OR operator as proprietary. This is in the form of paired pipes. Some programmers use this logical OR implementation instead of standard OR operator spelled in Word as OR. Here we take a simple example to demonstrate the use of pipes as logical OR, and the problem that we consider over here is list the rows of employees from EMP table working in departments 20 or 30. We have actually covered this problem in the previous lessons also, but now we are going to solve this same problem by using the piped OR operator. I will repeat the problem. List the rows of employees from EMP table working in departments 20 or 30. Now you can see I am connected to the demo schema in local MySQL installation. Our query statement will be select star from EMP where dptno equals to 20 and that double piped operator or dptno equals to 30. So I will execute this query and you see that you get all those employees who are working in either department number 20 or department number 30. So this works as an OR. This same result can be created using the operator OR. So to verify that, I will now replace the double pipes with OR operator as we have been using in some previous lessons and execute the query again. So here I change these two OR, that is OR. And I execute this query again, the result won't change. So this means that the piped operator, a paired pipes operator in place of OR are equivalent as the result is same. But remember, the behavior of this piped operator can be changed through a parameter to work as concatenation operator instead of logical OR. By default, the behavior is that two vertical pipes work as OR, but optionally this behavior can be changed and these two vertical pipes instead of working as OR can be used as concatenation operator. We shall cover this part in a lesson in future. Thus friends, we end this lesson here, only to meet again in the next with a new topic. Thanks for watching.